Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be putting headlights on the Mustang and getting rid of these. Go ahead and show you what we got. I don't even got my keys, but no, we got to do this in a rush before we head to the track. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what the headlights look like. So here's the headlights. They got the halo on them, stuff like that. So we're gonna go ahead and throw those in. We're gonna have to pop that bumper off, and I think that's it. And put them on. Got some new bulbs for them, so this should be an easy install. Shouldn't take too long, but yeah, let's get to it. All right, guys. So this is the LEDs I did buy for the Mustang. So we're gonna go ahead and install it. I'm probably gonna time lapse all this. So it's not so boring, but yeah, let's get it. Just in case it is dark over here, the lighting just sucks, I guess. I got a new camera, I'm testing it out, so we'll see. There's the old headlight, as you can see. It was burnt up. I don't know if you can see that, but it was burnt up in there pretty bad. But no, that's pretty easy. So we're gonna get done with this pretty quick. Wish the lighting was a lot better, but I do gotta wire up this, which will be pretty easy. So gotta find my lights. I can't find them. Oh, there they are. Alright. Like I said, these are lights we're installing. So these, yeah, I never really had a problem with them. They're not too expensive. I always get these from O'Reilly's, so if you want LEDs, I would get these. So let's install. Like I said, it's plug and play. Got one done. Now for the other one. Alright boys, right now, here's what I'm working on. So for some reason, this turn signal thing is broken. And so they have it zip tie everywhere. And I don't have any extra zip ties, so I'm trying to just like undo this to where it's not shoot, you know what I could do? Just thinking about it. I just twist this like that. Gives me a little bit more room. So yeah, right now I'm trying to undo that zip tie. I ain't trying to cut it, so that's what I'm working with right now. But engine's clean. I do got some mods coming for the engine, so an exhaust and all of it. So be ready for that next Thursday when this is uploaded. So let's get to it. Other headlight out. New headlight going in. Man, this is gonna make it look so much better. All right, before we do all the installing, dude, my fucking Mustang's locked. Let's hope I have the key somewhere. If not, then we're fucked. I mean, there's no way. Oh, thank you. I thought I've done that once already. Not trying to do it again. All right. Get a little. LED. Let's see if the brights are brighter. Well, that just turns them off. So it looks like we have one setting. Be damned. But I'm thinking about. So yeah, they look pretty good. Now we gotta wire up those halos, but we can do that after we install everything. So I'm not tripping about it. But we do need to get our fog lights. We need to get different fog lights because they look, they look clear, but in photos they look yellow, and it has that little LED circle on it. I know we're gonna throw this on real quick. So yeah. So this is why I feel like it's important to keep like bolts and nuts and stuff, because this one didn't have any bolts up top, and this needs one of these little sliding deals, and that's exactly what I have. So, and this came off, I think something on my truck. So this is super easy. Don't gotta fasten nothing up. Just goes in it right there. Boom. Just like that. But these definitely are looking better. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut it right here because camera's starting. No, we'll keep it rolling. Maybe. There we go. Show you a little. Just like that. I think it looks a lot better now. Yeah, it's so much better. Now we just turn them on. Like that. Yes, sir. So, yeah, I'm gonna wire up the halos real quick, off camera, and then I think that'll be it for this video. I'll get some flicks of it, a video of it. If y'all seen the video of me lowering the Mustang, everything's going good, everything's riding good. Sounds good. Not really rubbing anywhere really. So, get it wired up real quick. Then I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Alright, so it's the next morning, and this is what the halos look like all wired up. Go ahead and turn that light on for you. Start to see. Boom. They work pretty good at night. One just a little bit off-centered, but I'm not really tripping about it. But they look way better. At first I was kind of questionable about it because I didn't really get to see the halos. Now that they're on, I love them. So working good. Now I think I'm getting a clear turn signal, and then getting maybe clear or black housing on those fog lights with the halo, because these already have a halo, but like I said. So yeah, this will be it for the video. I'll put a link in the description for the headlights I bought off Amazon if you want these. But other than that, guys, I really have not much to say. Other than that, guys, like and subscribe to the video. If you like what I'm doing with the Mustang, there's more coming. Watch out for next Thursday when this video is uploaded, and we'll have some exhaust work for you. So peace.